First, let's make parts. Well, if you're planning on using one whole leather, you don't have to do patchwork. But I do want to mix all those colors. So I'll make parts first. Last time I made with red leather, I had those beautiful edges, lots of them. I wish I could make these. If anyone knows, if you do, please leave a comment and let me know how to make it. It is naturally beautiful, I think. Well, anyway, let's do this. After you make a pattern, you place parts on the pattern. See if they fit or match colors. If you like them, cut them. And glue. Then stitch. If you want to know how to do a stitch, go to my playlist named Some Techniques. I made all parts except for wallet. I need to assemble those. Very simple and easy. Let's take a look. Now parts are ready. Then let's attach pouch parts with side strap. I prepared this. I didn't have long enough straps, so I attached short ones. First, I punch stitching holes and then apply glue about 3 mm. And for the corner, I cut this little triangle out. I have to align this point and this corner. Attach those 3 sides. And punch those stitching holes according to the holes that I already made. You can punch holes after glue them together at once, but for me, punching holes separately is easier because this part is not even. Okay, pouches are ready. Now I do the edge finishing. Basic process is sanding, apply Toconol, rub with slicker and fabric. If you want to know how to do edge finishing in detail, go to my playlist named Some Techniques. Then I attach snap buttons. And now, let's attach those parts on this big piece of leather. I just place this one upside down and draw a line with something sharp, but you can use patterns instead. I make scratches to make sure they are well sticking together. Then apply glue here and attach those sides along with lines. Then stitch. First, just mark with prickling iron and then pierce the holes with a single awl. I don't stitch the entire edges. I leave this part because I'm gonna stitch it here later when I attach inside and outside part. It's up to you. Now, I attached all those pouches. Then let's finish with covers. I crumple those covers to give an vintage impressions. I put on buttons. When you stitch them, leave these edges unstitched about 5 mm because you have to stitch these 4 sides in the end. I'm gonna make strap. This is very simple handle. We need 4 lower straps, 2 handle straps, and 3 pieces of buckle straps. Let's punch holes. attach pieces with X stitch. Draw stitching lines and then punch holes. And here, I'll put sponges for a bit of protection because we get to carry iPad in here. Now let's put on straps and buckles. Now, this is some final step. Let's glue all over and then stitch. Let's punch holes first. I punch stitching holes separately because that way I can get the same stitch lines front and back. But it's not necessary. If you glue first and then punch at the same time, you get this. I just like the first one. When I apply glue, I apply one side and then attach. Then apply glue the other side. Because glue's open time is not that long enough for me. We have to be thorough, especially for the edges. Let's do final stitch. Do the edge finishing. If you have something to share, leave a comment. I want to share. Thank you for watching my video.